welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I am doing the I Heart the 90s project pan update, and this is the first update for this project pan, so I'm super excited. Well, not too excited because I feel like I didn't really do that great on most of these products. You guys will see. But anyways, this project pan was created by Laura. I will have her information linked in the description box, as well as the master list, so you guys can see everyone that's doing this project pan. And so we had to choose 8 to 10 prompts, and so I chose 8 prompts. So the first prompt that I chose was smells like Team Spirit, and I chose a lip gloss for that one, and this one is the Dominic Cosmetics Lemonade lip gloss, and this one smells really good. It smells like cupcakes, and I really like it, and my goal was to use it 20 times, and I have only used it 8 times, so it's pretty disappointing. So I still have to use it 12 more times and then I could roll it out. Alright, now the next product, it is No Scrubs, and it is a product that you want to get out of your life, and for that one I chose a bronzer, and that one is a Fenty Beauty Shady Biz bronzer, this one right here. And for this one my goal is to use up the whole thing, and as you can see, I haven't reached my goal. I have only used this 22 times in the month of January, but I feel like I've made a lot of progress. I will put a picture right here of what it looked like last month. If I have a picture, there's like a little dip going on and the F is already disappearing. We will see how long it takes me to finish this. Okay, now the third prompt that I chose is Jurassic Park, and that is my oldest product. And so for that one I chose the NYC Expert Last lip color, and it's this lipstick right here, and it is in the shade Sugar Plum. And this one I feel like I've made a lot of progress, because when I started off this lipstick it was like sticking out a little bit more, and this past month I have used it 23 times, so I feel like I'm doing pretty well. This is what the whole thing looks like. And my goal for this one is to use it up, if I didn't say so already. And right now it's a little bit above 3 inches. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully I had a picture, if not I'm sorry. And I'm actually wearing this lipstick today. I don't know if it looks good on me, but I like it. Now prompt number 5, it is The Simpsons, and that is a yellow product or packaging. And so for that one I chose a ColourPop Little Ray of Sunshine palette. My goal for this is to use it 20 times, but I did not reach my goal at all. I only used this eyeshadow palette once, and that's because I didn't feel like using makeup in the month of January. And anyways, this is what it looks like. I did use that yellow, and that yellow was super pigmented. It was very beautiful. Yeah, I think I only used this shade, the yellow shade, I think a little bit of this one, and maybe this one. I don't know. I just didn't use it enough, so I need to use it 19 more times so I could reach my goal. Okay, now the next prompt that I chose is Goosebumps, and that is a spooky themed item. So for that one I have the I Heart Revolution Curses and Hexes palette, and I also didn't reach my goal for this one because my goal was to use it at least 20 times, and I only used it 1 time, so it's pretty disappointing. So I don't really have any progress to show you here. Anyways, I still gotta use it 19 more times. Told you guys I didn't really reach my goal on anything. Okay, now the next prompt that I chose was What's Up, and that is a morning routine product. So for that one I chose the Jeffree Star Cucumber Mint Lip Scrub, this one right here. And my goal for this is to use it up, and I only used it 13 times in the month of January, so I feel like it's better than nothing. And this is what it looks like now. So I feel like I'm doing pretty well in this lip scrub, so hopefully I could finish it by, I don't think I will finish it this month, but maybe in March. This is a pretty good lip scrub. I mean, it exfoliates my lips pretty well, so I like this. And the last prompt, prompt number 8, it is Butterfly Clips, and that is cute packaging. So for that one I chose the I Heart Revolution Chocolate and Orange palette. this one right here, and it is a cute little palette. And for this one, I also didn't reach my goal. My goal is to use it 20 times, and I only used it one time. And let me tell you guys, that one time that I did use it, what the heck? Did you guys see that? Okay. What the hell is that? Okay, I think the electricity is gonna go away because it's like really windy outside. But anyways, the one time that I used this eyeshadow palette, I loved it, you guys. I used this shadow right here. I used this, oops, I just stabbed it. But anyways, I used this yellow shimmer right here, and I also used this pink shimmer right there, and it's super duper beautiful. So I'm super happy that I chose this palette, and I can't believe I haven't used it more times. So yeah, I'm super happy that I have this palette in my collection, and I'm definitely going to be using this palette this month. Okay, actually, I thought I was done, but I'm not. I accidentally skipped prompt number 4, and that is clueless, and that is a product you were clueless on how to apply. And for that one, I brought in the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops highlighter drops, and it's just like this little sample right here, and my goal is to use it 20 times, and I have only used it 12 times, but it is almost gone, so I'm pretty excited about that. Hopefully I could finish it by next month. I have actually been using it in my body lotion, and I really like how it looks with the shimmers and all of that. Okay, and now that's all of the products that I have in this project pan. Let me know in the comments below, how are you guys doing in this project pan? Are you guys doing better than me? Because I feel like I'm not even doing good at all. But hopefully I could do better by the end of February. Anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's